Okay, so hello, welcome. My name is Veldboom, and this is just a quick introduction video of everything that I'm planning on doing with the extra motion capture suit. So as you can see here in the screen, I actually have like a virtual character that kind of like resembles myself. It will become like a little bit of an alter ego, I guess. And then right here you kind of have like me and my actual body, and then on screen you can then kind of see the virtual representation of what all of these body characters and movements will kind of become like. And now at the moment I don't really think you can see everything like all the way properly. Like the face movement is there, the hand movement is there and everything, but it can be a little bit smoother still. A lot of that has to do with just the internet connection, and you know, so as soon as that kind of gets better here, then a lot of these will kind of start to come out better, but that will be fixed in the next week or so, hopefully. So that is kind of like what I'm still dealing with, but this is just basically a demonstration of everything that I'm planning on doing with the actual motion capture suit. It's basically all about demonstrating this world and what these cars are all about, and how you can kind of, you know, progress in game development once you actually have an animation like this. Because with these characters I can then go on and tell stories, but also just gameplay stuff. So if I wanted to if I wanted to interact with the car and actually like open the door or something, and that would be possible from actually this animation, then that would be a lot cooler than just me entering the car, but you don't really like see a transitioning animation or anything, you know. So a lot of that will take place right here. So also with the game itself, like I can just tell stories, so not only gameplay but also the way that I kind of want to convey certain memories that I had, or actually like, you know, put game elements together, or music videos, or just anything you can imagine that has to do with just these visual 3D worlds and characters. You can do it. So let's now jump back into the actual living room, I should say, and then also see what it looks like in different environments and stuff like that, you know. So this is crazy. I love this stuff. So yeah, we're getting back to it. So basically everything that I'm working on still is everything you see with the glitches that are happening. So the arm shouldn't really be going through my belly. When I kind of put my neck in this direction, you kind of don't really see a lot of the back of my head. It looks kind of weird. So those are like the things that I will be gradually just fixing over time, because I also still have to input like my actual body dimensions and stuff into the suit and all of that. So those fixes will come. Also, I need to practice with how I kind of move in the suit, and kind of take into consideration that maybe everything that is kind of in this range that is kind of like interfering with the actual body, then those movements kind of should be avoided. So I could also become a little bit more strategic with how I personally just move around when I'm operating the suit, I guess. So but it is amazing. I can do basically whatever I want, and I can now use the suit to kind of walk you guys through like all of these virtual experiences and environments that I've made. So just stay tuned. There's a lot more to come from this and everything, because you can also see like the speed at which you can just kind of produce this type of content without really like doing a whole lot for it. You're just acting out all of the movement as soon as you just have the actual environments done, I guess. So that's it. So that's it for the actual summary of everything that I've been doing over the first weekend with the suit. And now it is just time to kind of get all of the results in, and really start building on the progress of everything that I'm planning on doing with the suit. So yeah, just expect a lot more to come. My name is Veldboom. Thank you for watching. I'm out.